the whole world, all the places that the sickness have been affected this first week, this week, all shall be eradicated. Everywhere shall be clear. As the Lord has spoke to me. And I'm seeing a sign of the rain coming on the east. The rain that show that I am with them. I have called them by my name. I choose them. The evil are blessed people. The Lord Jesus Christ loved them. I have never seen a man that Jesus has been using to perform the kind miracle he has been using me to perform in nation. It's a love he has for the East. I have never deceived anybody. I don't lie to anybody. Everything I do is clear before people. The miracles are very clear and understandable. You see the beginning and see the end. There is only one God and there is only one power. And that man is Jesus. By 12 o'clock today, if you can find your way to the church, be there. I will provide items of food for you and give you some money. So, as many you can be there. By 12 o'clock, everybody be at the church.
And today is Tuesday. This is Tuesday night. I am here as the Lord speak to me on Tuesday morning that He will give me a sign of rain. There is nothing like that. This is and it's gone. And as the Lord has speak to me. And I speak so many things on the Facebook as the Lord has ordered me. I am here to confirm to you. The Tuesday afternoons, I share some items, food to people. And the same Tuesday night, I am at the bridge. People are going freely. Walk freely and stop living in fear. As a prophet of the town, the lane has the fallen. This is the signs of rain. The lion is here, the liquid metal, we fear no one. And we believe in Jesus Christ, and there is only one God, and there is only one. I bless all of you. I tell you that Lord will show me a sign. There's nothing like that in the east, and the lane is foreign. I said that will show me a sign of rain. So I am in the bridge life right now, videoing, and they are going and passing. The lorries are going well. Everywhere there's peace, I tell you. I am here by this time night. And walking as the Lord ordered me. See, the rain is foreign, the lane is foreign. You can see the sign of rain. As I told you that God will show me a sign of rain. And I show that it did not concern you. The east, the land that coronavirus is gone. He will show me a sign. And I told you on first week, I said to you on my video yesterday, and you see the cars are moving very successfully and peacefully. The rollers are passing very peacefully. I'm going to the duties. The state is very fine. We are covered with the blood of Jesus Christ. And that's why we are here to make the state to be covered. And there is nothing is happening. Everywhere you are safe in these nations of Iran. And that's the lion himself.